welcome to another weekend vlog. Today I've got the kids with me. Ron is out coordinating an event today. So I've got some laundry to do. That time to take all the bed linen and put some fresh ones on, so that way we can have some fresh bedding to sleep on tonight. It's the best part. I do have to pick up my dry cleaning as well, so we'll just pop out for a little bit just to pick that up. Make some breakfast for myself. It's actually a late breakfast. Have that with some avocado and fried egg. This is the bread that I've been having lately. This is sourdough rye bread. So good. Just sitting down for a while, enjoying my cup of coffee before we head out to the dry cleaners, because I need to pick up my blazer and get some more laundry detergent as well. So the kids were going to be coming with me. They might want to walk around to the shops for a little bit. So I received a delivery from a brand last week and I haven't been able to get around to opening it because I want to create some content for it. It's a gorgeous art piece. It's an abstract artwork to go in the living room space. This type of artwork I chose in particular because it goes well with my aesthetic. So I'm just gonna bring it up. I'm gonna turn it around. Sorry, I'm gonna put it the right way up. You ready? So this is from Urban Road. I reckon it'll look gorgeous when I have it above the sofa, or even just like behind the dining table here. But it'll definitely go on this wall here. So the name of this artwork is called Patina of Time, and it has a walnut frame around the canvas. Okay, now we are going to go to the shops, get some hooks for the new artwork that I've got here.
What if I want to turn to your car and she was like this? Wait, they don't love me.
I'll probably just drive off. Okay. Let's get going.
One's for me. Okay. So do you want a mint?
Alright, let's go. We gotta turn the camera off. There's one here that's called My Favorite Brother. Oh, they're so cute. This is so cute.
There's mini signs, there's headbands, which I really love.
Ayla, Reese's cups.
No.
Get these. Quick. The basket got too heavy, so we just got a trolley. Okay, we just got back in the car and I totally forgot to get the hooks. We got everything and anything but the hooks. I can't really be bothered going back into the store to get it. So we're just gonna go home and I'm just gonna get the hooks later on. I'm just gonna be soaking some of these socks. I'm going to be whitening them. And we also got this as well for the shoe closet. Alright, so I've got a load of washing on. The kids are putting the groceries away. The kids are just taking the rubbish downstairs. They are wanting to have a Halloween movie marathon, so we got some snacks and things from the grocery shop. I hope it's not too scary because I don't do too well with scary movies. I'm more of a PG rated scary movie type of person, so we'll see what they select. Like, I love supernatural, like vampire movies and stuff like that. I can do gory, like The Grudge or The Nun. I cannot do where it also involves kids like in there. It's just too traumatizing for me, so we'll see. Close all the blinds and the curtains and make it dark in here. It's a scary movie, we have to. There it is.
Oh, red.
Finish watching a scary movie. I'm just in the outside patio balcony. Just gonna do some cleaning up and then start making dinner. For dinner tonight we are having buffalo chicken wings with some rice. It's one of the kids' favorites. It's so easy to make. It's already pre-marinated. So, good morning. It is Sunday. We're just going to be popping out to go get Ayla's friend's birthday present and then just going out spending time as a family. I'm just quickly folding up the laundry before we head out the door so I don't have to do this when I come back. We are at Ayla's friend's birthday party. We're a little bit early, so we're just going to be waiting in the car until it's ready to go in. Ayla's finished up at friend's birthday party and we've just come down the road to Mornington Peninsula because they've got a festival happening here. So we just want to come and check it out. We haven't been before. They usually have it yearly. So we're excited to see.
This is our chance to go.
Our chance to go. That's right. So we're just walking down the main street of Mornington and there's so many bands, there's so many stalls from food, crafts, merchandise, local produce. So thank you. See?
Yes, Ayla, good job.
Just grab some frozen yogurt. Yum. Just quickly headed into the supermarket because I need to get hooks because I forgot to get them yesterday. So I gotta find hooks. Hooks, hooks, hooks. Alright, it must be down here. There it is. Look, there's a bird.
How did a bird get in here?
I don't know. Alright, so we got 7 kilos for that one. I feel like we need to get bigger ones. These ones to 9 kilos. We need to grab maybe 2 2 of those. Maybe 3. Better get 3 just in case. Okay, just got back home and I've asked Ron if he can help me shift the living room and the dining room around to its original position, original location, so that way I can hang up this artwork, which I'm excited to put up. Okay, so we've got the painting up on the wall. It has taken me so much time to figure out what I want on this wall. I feel like art is such a personal thing, and even though I do interior design and styling, artwork for clients is such a personal journey, and it takes time to collect those type of pieces. Fold these. The end. For dinner tonight, Ron has cooked some steaks and we're just gonna have that with some rice. Rice is ready, steaks are ready. We're gonna have some vegetables with that too. You want to have some vegetables with that? So it is the end of the day. I'm going to say good night and thank you for tuning in. I'll see you next weekend.